Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can delete transfer history from Remitly. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, the first thing that you have to know is there is actually no way for you to delete your transfer history from Remitly right away. The only method that will help you out to clear out your transfer history or Remitly history overall is by deleting your account or closing your account at once. Now you can simply go ahead, close your account, and you can reopen your account if you are really bothered by the history that you have over there in your app. To close the account, all you gotta do is open up your Remitly app and you have to go to the Contact Us page. Then once you are in the Contact Us page, you have to go to your Contact Us page on the Remitly website. Then from there you're going to tap on Chat with Us, and then you're going to enter your name and email address of your Remitly account. Then tap Start Chatting. Then afterwards the customer service representative will help you out to close your account, and then you will have to simply follow the instruction provided by them thoroughly, and you will be able to close your account likewise over there, and you're good to go. That is the only way available for you to delete out your or clear out your history from Remitly itself. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.